If you're looking to take a break from Instagram, here's how you could deactivate your account in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, go to Account Center and select Personal Details. Under this section, you'll find Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Now, select Deactivation or Deletion, and then choose Deactivate Account. Tap Continue, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've done that, Instagram will ask for a reason why you're deactivating your account. Select the option that best fits your situation. After that, tap Continue again, and on the final page, confirm your decision by tapping Deactivate Account. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now temporarily disabled, meaning your profile, posts, and interactions will be hidden until you decide to log back in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.